Back to Board Time Garage, continuing saga of Rust. Left off last time, I think we were talking about going around and blasting all these, anywhere there's a pinhole, like this, where, needs a little metal to keep it, solid. So we went around and did a bunch, some stuff in the fender, driver's side fender, right in the top there. I could see light. There's one spot, a little bit lower, was an actual hole. Places like here, I could see daylight from this side, and here, then you hit it with the welder and it just disappears, so you just blast it some more. So anyway, continuing saga. I can see holes there beside the dimmer switch. They got to be attended. But when I got to this area here, it just disappeared. There's a patch. I guess the guy added in here. It's thin metal or anyway. Got to here, blew it out, put in some patch pieces, welded, blew out beside it, continue, add more metal, blow out some more. So then we came around here. And this is the same area on the other side. And I was working in here, and then I noticed a big hole right here. And there was a rusty hole here. And see how these are made? It's stamped steel. 2 pieces of light gauge stamped steel. That's all it is for the rear frame rail. So anyways, I put a piece in here. Where? Oh geez. Something like this, I guess. Yeah. Around here to there and up like that. So today, I'm going to start in here again. I'm going to grind all this. And you can still see daylight through it, right? So clearly, got to add more metal and then grind until we're good. And then I'm going to continue with completing the mini tub installation. Obviously, the person that was building this car, he just stopped at some point, right? Like this isn't completed. This isn't completed. There's lots of welds that weren't ground and re-welded, and so I guess the focus now is going to be, I was talking about, I'm going to get the interior, just get the interior ready and then paint the interior. Well, in reality, I can't do that, just the interior, right? I got to do the trunk. Like I found 4 more plug holes, the plastic plugs, right? Found 4 more of those that's got to be fixed. There's a hole here on either side. One there, one in that corner. I got to plug those. Package tray. That's got to be plugged. The roll bar is going to go through the speaker. That's going to wait. The rear defroster hole's got to be plugged. So all these little holes are got to be plugged at some point. So there's a lot of work yet to be done. A lot of work, a lot of hours. So the point I'm making is I'm going to keep going on this part of the car, finish the mini tub. Up in there, I might be able to get some welding in through the speaker hole and stuff. We'll see. But anyway, so yeah, we gotta finish this mini tub fender, right? And then we'll continue on to this corner, which means I'm gonna finish the fender, then I'm gonna repair this, and then once this is repaired, I'm gonna add a 3/16 plate to here for the battery, right? And then we'll get to here, right? I'll finish up this part of the repair that I did and weld it all up, solid steel. Finish the drop down on this side, cut it off, get the proper profile, right? We'll plug it. Many hours, many hours to go. Yeah, but it all happens an hour here, an hour there, 2 hours here, 3 hours there, a weekend day here or there. You know, I was looking around at the other frame rail, and here, let's have a look. Did I bring the screwdriver? No. Well, there's the holes. I punched them with a screwdriver. Come on, give me some light. There we go. Look at this. All these holes I punched with a screwdriver. So I got a section to replace here, along here. This mini tub looks like he pretty much completed it. I can see a little, there's some pinholes of daylight I can see, so I'm gonna add some welds to this side too when we get here, right? In the meantime, also working on getting the car started and running. So we have Spark. Things are wired up just so you can start it. Obviously, I kind of want to try and paint the interior of the car, you know, as soon as possible, but not rushing, because I've got all these issues like I showed you with rust to deal with the fender, mini tubs not completely installed. Yeah. So I guess, yeah, I don't want to be like welding and grinding and having sparks and grinding from back here, right? Coming and flying over into this area once I put the firewall on here. So, yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's coming along. So that's where we're at. More rust, more rust. We're just replacing rust. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, and it's really not that exciting for videos. Need to get some spark plug wires, and maybe soon we'll do a fire up video. That might spark some interest, eh? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. All that good stuff, you know. If you need anything for your ride, call DC Automotive Performance in Thunder Bay, Ontario. Look them up. They're easy to find. So until next time, that's it. Board Time Garage.